Long Beach doesn't just have the world's largest beach, but it's got a lot of world's largest. Can't wait to go see what they have that's large.
That's what she said. Oh. What up, everybody?
What up, what up?
I'm Ruben.
And I'm Lori.
We are
Life After Kids, Journey Unknown.
A couple of free birds who decided to sell everything and live full-time in a classy motorhome.
In order to find a purpose beyond parenting.
Seek adventures.
And reignite passions.
So come along as we figure out this nomad lifestyle.
And hopefully we can inspire you to
feel the free.
I love our lives! Woo! Don't forget to smack that subscribe button.
Karate chop that notification bell to see when all our videos drop. Don't miss a thing.
Don't, because it's going to be a bumpy ride. Let's go!
Buckle up, Buttercup.
We are currently driving through the threshold of the longest beach.
We have just got to the world's longest beach.
And let's check out to see what makes this special.
Yeah.
Does it make it special just because it's the world's longest beach, or does it just look like any other beach?
And they got lazy on naming the city, so they just called it Long Beach.
Honestly, it's just a beach.
It is a pretty long beach, but world's longest? Maybe. Do we want to test it out?
No.
Do we care?
No. Let's go check out what else they have here in this little cute town.
I'm hungry. Let's go find something to eat.
I know. And it's really cute, this town, when we drove through.
Yeah.
Can't wait to go to the stores. Let's go. Okay. I gotta check these out. These look like they're electric breakers. It's actually a breaker. They got a breaker and water. So you can park right here and hook up. Wow. That's awesome. That's pretty freaking cool.
Heck yeah.
Bike path, and it looks like free electricity all the side right here. They have all kinds of stands, and it has water and electricity. So for if a nomad wants to come and hang out for the day, come down to the world's longest beach.
Recharge up.
I mean, you can't fit that big of a rig, but anything maybe like 24 and lower.
Yeah, Class B's.
Yeah.
Perfect. Very short
van
Class
life.
C.
Yeah, van life. Perfect.
Yeah, van life would be perfect.
All right, let's go check out the town. I'm hungry.
It's always a cool thing when they honor the vets that have fought in all the past wars and stuff. Kind of reminds me of my dad, so I get a little bit choked up, just a tiny bit. This is what we got to do.
Fried it.
They could have at least filled it up almost.
Right.
At least somewhat.
Okay, Long Beach is known for their fry sauce, but normally they put vinegar. We didn't want vinegar on ours. And their fry sauce is basically ketchup and mayo. So we can't eat it. Is that on?
Uh-oh.
That's the bad thing about when we go out and travel is the food thing. If we don't bring our own food, sometimes it's hard for us to actually eat while we're on the road.
And what are our choices?
French fries.
That's about it.
We found ourselves a little thrift store. I'm a sucker for a thrift store, so let's go check it out. Yes, he does love me. Ooh, I scored. I got me some cool, like, elastic shoes from the UK. They are light. It's like you're barefoot.
Heck yeah. And I scored 2.
You got movies.
Bam! Look at that. 4 each, and they were $2.50 a piece. Yeah.
We are about to find another one of the world's largest here, and apparently the world's largest chopsticks.
You know what you can eat with this thing?
What?
God, I don't even know. They're so huge. You'd have to stab it. How do you do both of them?
Now, right across the street from the world's largest chopsticks is the world's largest frying pan.
You can make some big pancakes with that.
Ooh. Go ahead, baby. Get in there and sizzle, sizzle.
Cook me, baby. Cook me. Oh, what the heck?
Oh, it doesn't work.
Something stuck. There's another quarter in there.
Ah.
Oh well. No squirting today. What's up, bro?
Apparently, this museum is famous for something creepy. So we are on the hunt looking for it. Half human, half alligator person. That's what I heard. Locals told me. So we're going to go hunt for them. Oh, we got a 2-headed cow. Look when it was alive. Creepy.
Oh, this is all the naughty stuff, right?
Oh.
But of course.
This place is creepy. It's got some creepy stuff in here. I didn't see no alligator, half alligator person. We didn't find it, but we found some other creepy stuff. This place has got a lot of creepy stuff in here. Definitely an oddity store that you want to come and check it out. Now we're going to go get something that Ruben saw, and we have to go get it now.
Moments later.
Wow. Ruben's sad. Apparently they put eggs in their dough. Usually they don't have any, but apparently they use like a sweet dough. So it's a little different. So we're a little sad, but it's okay. Next week we'll have donuts.
That makes me happy, but not right now.
I gotta say, if you're gonna choose like a little town to come and visit on the coast, I would definitely do Long Beach, Washington. They have really cute cottages. They also have a lot of RV parks.
Definitely.
I would definitely do a stay here.
And it seems like there's a lot to do and a lot to see. So
Yeah.
you definitely have a good time.
There's so much to do. All right, for the whole family.
And Long Beach.
Yes.
2 inches later.
Sad again.
Yeah, they're just teasing me. They have donuts in there, just not for me. Jerk off.
The day's getting late, and we got to get back because we got a tournament to go to.
It's our own tournament, but I still want to win it.
A bunch of us co-workers are getting together, and we're going to have a disc golf competition. Everybody here has been so freaking nice.
Absolutely.
Like, so unbelievably sweet and nice. If you have a chance to come to Long Beach, Washington, definitely come down to this place. Worth it, 100%. We are literally stuck on the middle of the bridge right now. I'm not okay with this. I'm really not okay with this. What is going on here? Someone is sitting on the side of the freaking road right now. He's sitting. The only way we can get around is when there's a break on the other side. And right now, there is no brakes. Apparently, someone was walking on the bridge. I guess that's not acceptable here. We're at the tallest part of the bridge right now, and I'm not freaking out, guys. I am not freaking out. I don't like it, but I'm not freaking out. Now that is progress. Progress. How many of you are proud of me out there? Give me a thumbs up if you're proud.